I live next door and I can hear the water running every time you take a shower.
Oh yeah, I can hear yours too. I think.
Were you taking a shower around midnight last night?
Yeah, I think it was around midnight.
I couldn't sleep. I could hear the water.
I was in the shower for less than 10 minutes.
You woke me up and I have to wake up early.
Got home at that time, so.
And don't take a shower if you get home late.
I need to take showers.
Not at that time.
I can take a shower whenever I want.
I can hear the water running.
It's an old building. You can hear the pipes, but it's not that loud.
I don't like listening to noises at night. You live in a city. Take your showers during the day.
No, I take them when I can.
Well, the sounds of water running bother me.
Sorry, but I can hear the water running too, and it's not that loud.
It's loud to me. I take showers at night. Then go to bed earlier.
No, I was out.
Your shower wakes me up again. I'm calling the police.
Can't do that. I can.
Is it that loud? I can hear the water running through the pipes.
That's the whole building. My friends live in the apartment next door, and I can also hear it from there.
So are you and your friends taking over the building now?
What?
No showers after 8 p.m.
No, the building doesn't have shower rules.
Well, I need my sleep.
Then move because
I'm reporting